Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Days Inn by Wyndham Cleveland TN. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located off Interstate 75, the Days Inn Cleveland is 5 minutes drive from the Rolling Hills Golf Club. This hotel offers a daily grab-and-go breakfast and an outdoor pool on site. Free Wi-Fi and cable TV are included in every simply decorated guest room of this Cleveland hotel. A microwave and refrigerator are also provided in all rooms. Guests will have access to fax and photocopying facilities as well as a 24-hour reception at the Cleveland Days Inn. Vending machines for drinks are available on site. Central Cleveland is 3 miles from this hotel and Lee University is less than 10 minutes drive away. Bradley County Park is also less than 5 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.